Taking an ugly turn. In fact, after these comments by the Home Minister, now we have a reaction coming in from Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, who has hurled, in fact, a Dushasan jibe. Dushasan has come to Bengal, is what she has said. Dushasan, Duryodhan appearing in Bengal. Let's go across to my colleague Rajesh, joining us live right now for more on this. Rajesh, give us more details. What exactly has the Chief Minister said on the points made by Home Minister Amit Shah a short while ago?
Soon after Central Home Minister Amit Shah attacked Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and state ruling party Trinamool Congress. On the other hand, Chief Minister and Trinamool Supremo Mamata Banerjee has attacked Home Minister too, saying he's Dusasana. She has attacked Amit Shah as Dusasana and attacked without naming a Prime Minister as Duryodhana. Chief Minister of West Bengal Mamata Banerjee has said whenever election comes in Bengal, these Duryodhana and Dusasana start appearing in Bengal, and she has also attacked back to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, saying that she was being attacked as per the allegation of Home Minister that Mamata Banerjee was not giving land for fencing at along the international border of Bangladesh, and also she was also accused for corruption. But Mamata Banerjee has also said that if I didn't give the land for fencing, then who gave the land at Petrapol area, which is the Bengal, which shares the international border with Bangladesh. Also, Mamata Banerjee has raised question that who gave the land to Andal Airport for building a domestic airport around Durgapur area. Mamata Banerjee, not only Mamata Banerjee, also Trinamool spokesperson Kunal Ghosh has also attacked Home Minister, saying that he was also an accused in a murder case, because Amit Shah took the name of Kunal Ghosh, who is a spokesperson of Trinamool Congress. Amit Shah took names of all the accused of Trinamool leaders, Trinamool ministers who were arrested by ED or CBI a few years back or few months back, including Trinamool leader and spokesperson Kunal Ghosh. Soon after his press conference, Kunal Ghosh has also said that if I was an accused, then Amit Shah was also an accused in a murder case, and now he's attacking us without any evidence. But Amit Shah, not only that corruption issue, he has emphasized on the issues of infiltration, on the issue of women's security in West Bengal, on the issue of extortion on the soil of West Bengal, and after which TMC is now attacking back to Indian Home Minister Amit Shah.
Well, absolutely. And Rajesh, it's not the first time that West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has used these words for the Home Minister. In the recent past as well, she had in fact used the same word Dushasan, and this time also she has said Dushasan, disciple of Shakuni, has come to Bengal to gather information. As soon as elections come, Dushasan and Duryodhan start appearing. She's also said today the BJP netas are saying that Mamata Banerjee didn't give land, and then she's also brought in what happened in Pahalgam and the national capital, trying to suggest that it's not just Bengal from where infiltrators enter.
Exactly. Infiltration was a big issue in West Bengal for the past few years. And the BJP has been alleging that TMC is backing.
Rajesh, I'm just interrupting you there. Request you to please stay on with us. We have Shehzad Poonawalla of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us on the broadcast. Good afternoon, Mr. Poonawalla. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction on what Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, has said about the Home Minister, literally calling him Dushasan and saying that Dushasan and Duryodhan start appearing as soon as elections come.
If a Bharatiya like Amit Shah ji or Modi ji, who is the Pradhan Mantri, they are going to Bengal, they are worrying about Bengal, then they are Duryodhan and Dushasan. But the same party is more than happy to welcome Rohingyas. For them, Rohingya is Shanti Doot. For them, illegal Bangladeshi is Bhaijan. For them, Jagoma is prohibited, Babri Zindabad is allowed. So those people who see Ramji mein Musalman, those people who see threat in Jagoma, those people who are giving red carpet to Rohingya, for them Desh ka Pradhan Mantri and for them Desh ka Grah Mantri, who is talking about Bengalis and Bharatiya, is Dushasan and Duryodhan. For them their Bhagwan is Rohingya. For them their most important deity is Rohingya. So they are Rohingya ke ashik, and therefore they find that देश के प्रधानमंत्री में उनको दुर्योधन नजर आता है, because we want to kick out Rohingyas, we want to kick out illegals.
Right.
ये घुसपैठियों को भगवान बनाते हैं अपना.
Okay. Shehzad Poonawalla, request you to please stay on with us. We are also joined on the broadcast by Riju Datta of the Trinamool Congress. Good afternoon, Mr. Riju Datta. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times. Now, your reaction to what Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP said, that for TMC, Rohingyas are like deities. Red carpet is rolled out for Rohingyas, but Prime Minister and the Home Minister are called Duryodhan and Dushasan.
See, from the Prime Minister to the Home Minister to the BJP spokesperson, they are just parroting one single narrative. But my question is, if there are infiltrators, Rohingyas and Bangladeshis in India, then the border is guarded by the BSF. Then the most incompetent Home Minister in the history of independent India, they apologize to the people of India by holding his ears and step down. Point number one. Point number two, SIR is happening in Bengal. 54 lakh names in the initial list has been discarded. Why isn't the Election Commission coming out and saying that we have got so many Bangladeshis and so many Rohingyas? Who is the Rohingya? Who is the Bangladesh? These are all fake narratives that has been parroted by the Home Minister. He gave this exact same speech in Guwahati. He is giving the exact same speech here. He will give the exact same speech in Kerala.
Okay.
So they have a script. They are reading from it like a parrot. But
Okay.
I am just going to say this. Let me finish, please. And then I will hear what the BJP has to say. Our slogan for the Vidhan Sabha, upcoming Vidhan Sabha is, Jotoi karo hamla abar jitbe Bangla. That means no matter how much you attack, Bengal will win again. And I'm saying on record in Times Now, and you can save this. Come 2026, in 2021, we got 213 seats. We will get at least one seat more than 213. And BJP will not cross 50 seats in Bengal. I challenge this to Shehzad Poonawalla and Mr. Amit Shah.
Okay, stay on with us, Mr. Riju Datta. Let's hear a reaction also from Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP, who continues to be with us. Yes, Mr. Poonawalla.
I hope now Riju Datta will have the patience that I showed. When the Supreme Court Chief Justice of India said that no red carpet can be given to Rohingya, which party does Kalyan Banerjee belong to? He started attacking CJI. Now Kolkata High Court has recently said that Mamta Banerjee, why you are not giving land for the fencing which has taken place all across the country, but you are not giving the land? So is Supreme Court and High Court also wrong? And Mamta Banerjee used to throw speaker pe kagas in 2005 saying infiltrators have been bought by Congress and left. Today she is with the same Congress party who brought in the infiltrators. So therefore it should be, the slogan should become, Nahi chahiye Bangla, Rohingya hai hamara mamla. Your slogan should be, Rohingya hamara मामला नहीं चाहिए बांग्ला. एंड रिजू दत्ता जी, आप बॉर्डर छोड़ दो, बंगाल छोड़ दो, आपसे मेसी अफेयर नहीं हैंडल हो पा रहा था. रिजू दत्ता जी को तो सेल्फी मिल गई मेसी के साथ. He took a selfie with Messi. But what happened about those fans, sir? You're returning the money, you know.
Quick rebuttal, Riju Datta, because if we talk about what the Home Minister said today, he has spoken about the need to weed out Ghuspetiyas or infiltrators. So if, there is no vote bank politics here involved, then TMC should be welcoming what he has said. Why is Mamta Banerjee calling him Dushasan and calling Prime Minister Duryodhan?
No, the thing is, see, winter ka mausam hai, all these migrant birds are coming, so Amit Shah ji has also come and we welcome him. But when Shehzad had made some points, let me give you some technical points and let the BJP and the Home Minister can answer this. In the border areas, even if because of demography, there are not fencing not in certain areas. वहाँ क्या BSF के जवान नहीं है? BSF is still posted there, na? So these infiltrators or Rohingyas or alleged Bangladeshis, they are not cockroaches that they are flying across
the point that I have made is that the Home Minister today said that the agenda is going to be to end infiltration. घुसपैठियों को निकालना है और आगे आने वाले टाइम में उन्हें आने नहीं देना है. So then you should be welcoming it. It's good for the state government, isn't it?
The Home Minister, I am saying on record, the Home Minister is lying through the skin of his teeth.
Okay.
I am giving one challenge to Times Now, and I hope that Times Now will ask this question to the Home Minister. There is a DG BSF that is posted in Bengal.
Okay.
Director General of BSF. Let him issue a white paper saying there has been so many infiltrations.
Okay. Quick rebuttal, Shehzad Poonawalla, then I'll have to wind up this discussion.
I just have one question to ask. If he is so much in favor of removal of these Rohingya Bangladeshis, so please say once that Rohingyas are not good people like Mamta Banerjee said, and say we want NRC. Say we support NRC. Bolo Riju Datta.
there is no Rohingya, no Bangladeshis, nothing of that sort in Bengal.
Okay.
These are lies spewed by the BJP.
Okay.
And
We'll
why
leave
should-
it there.
why-
We'll leave it there, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Appreciate you both joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Of course, this is going to be the key focus and in the run-up to 2026 Assembly polls in Bengal. Meanwhile, here's what the Home Minister had said on this issue.
महिलाओं की सुरक्षा ये बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा बना है और अधिकृत रूप से कहा जाता है कि महिलाएं 7 बजे के बाद अपने हॉस्टल और घर से न निकले। हम कौन से जमाने में जी रहे? मुगल काल में जी रहे हैं क्या? ममता जी, ये आजाद भारत, यहां माताओं और बहनों को पूरा दिन जब इनकी मर्जी हो, जब इनको काम हो, घर के बाहर निकलने की सुरक्षा प्रदान करना ये हमारा संवैधानिक दायित्व है, जो देने में आपकी भ्रष्टाचार से पूरी बंगाल की जनता त्रस्त है। इतने सारे घोटाले हैं कि मैं पूरा लिस्ट पढ़ूंगा तो मेरी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का पूरा हिस्सा ही उसमें चला जाएगा। अब क्या ममता बनर्जी इस बात का जवाब दे सकती है कि आपके मंत्रियों के ठिकाने पर से 27 करोड़ रुपया मिलता है, जिसको गिनते गिनते नोट गिनने की मशीन भी गर्म होकर बंद हो जाती है। पार्थो चैटर्जी जेल में जाते हैं, ज्योतिप्रिय मलिक जेल में जाते हैं, अनुव्रत मंडल जेल में जाते हैं, जीवन कृष्ण शाह जेल में जाते हैं, और आप कहती है कि भ्रष्टाचार नहीं हो गया, हो रहा है। आप आंख मूंद